If you want to learn how you can access Google Documents offline, then I'll show you in this video. So I'm on the Google Documents file, my productive morning routine. So I'll just go to the dashboard. This is my dashboard here, and I will show you how you can set up your Google document for offline access. So basically, what that means is that you can access your Google document right without having to have an internet connection, but you need to ensure that you set it the right way. And for that to happen, just come to this main menu, click on it, then come to settings, and you'll see offline that says create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs files on this device while offline. It is currently toggled on because I've enabled offline access. I'm going to toggle it off, and it has been disabled. So I can access this my Google document if unless I have an internet connection. But for me to be able to access this file, even if I don't have an internet, I have to like toggle it back on. And this way I'll click on OK. That's it. One thing you need to know is that for you to actually achieve that, you have to ensure that you have internet access for you to set that up. But once you successfully set it up, you can access your documents without having to have an internet connection. Yeah. Thank you. If you find this video valuable, ensure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.